I just received these bad boys in the mail today, and I wanted to do an unboxing. I bought them from NSI Australia. This is the portable nail drill that I've been so excited for. Let's open her up first. Now, don't mind the packaging too much. I'm sure the product's okay. It did come with a indent on the box. Those are the features there. You can see more on their website. But yeah, no, I trust everything is okay. Product manual. There's the unit itself. Just try to grab that out one-handed. Yay. Alright, it is quite sturdy. Not heavy, but it feels sturdy. There's that. This is the this doesn't want to come out. Oh, there we go. That also feels really nice. It's got a relative weight to it. It's not heavy, it's not super light, but it feels strong. I love the color, obviously, that's why I picked it. Comes with some starter drill bits here. Sorry, I'm just getting that in focus. Some starter drill bits, some sanding bands. That's perfect. And then your cable. Sorry guys, I have two Pomeranians and yes, they are a bit vocal today. I'm sorry. Please excuse that. And there's your cable. Comes with a USB and is that a Type-C connection? Yes, so it's a Type-C connection. I don't think there's anything else in the bottom. Oh yes, there is. Of course there is. Silly me, sorry. Of course, how do I connect these two together? And I'll set that up later and we'll give it a whir. That is the portable nail drill. There's a little slight bit of denting and damage on this too, but again, I assume it's fine. Let's see, open her up. Yay. Trying to open this one hand and also with my less dominant hand is it's a lot harder than it looks. Okay, there's nothing in there. We'll put that aside. We will take this out of this polystyrene seal. I assume it's polystyrene. It's plastic, whatever it is. And it comes with two reusable bags. Rubbish. And this is the cable. Perfect. Awesome. Oh, that's so pretty. It looks so clean. And, ooh, it is actually padded here. So, oh, okay. So, client can put their hand like that. And for nail art and rest their fingers here whilst they're getting their nails sanded or filed, whichever you prefer to call it. And we'll plug her in and try her out. Alright, so got the portable nail drill here. Just take out the bit here. And we'll select bands. There we go. It's a bit harder than I expected. Put that in there for now. So I've already put one of the arbor bands on the mandel. Alright, that's locked into place. So with this one, we hold down, turns on, and it's in forward. So I'll show you what it sounds like. 1, 2, 30, it's very loud. Probably not as loud as some of the ones I've heard in other salons, but it's pretty quiet. And that's probably what you'd be using it, so that's really good. Then we've got the exhaust fan. Is not super loud. You can obviously tell it's on. So zoom in here. And we'll test the drill out on the nail. And turn that on. 2, 3. Whoops. Start that again. So test this out on the nail. Try one of the diamond grits. Go with this one here. It's in. And I know these are obviously not super high quality, but especially on the natural nail when you're working with the cuticle, this is nice and gentle. Great for beginners.